This model kit review is of the Ferrari 512 Berlinetta Boxer, and it's a 1/24th scale model by AMT. And this is a picture of the finished model here. And some more pictures of the finished model. Some details about the model, about the car. Let's have a look inside. Got some tape here to remove. Let's see inside. So we have our tires here. They're still quite soft, and this is an older model, but a good level of detail there. And let's have a look inside here. So first of all, here we have our body, and looks like this is molded to come off so that you can look at the back, but good level of detail here. Unfortunately, the grille is not open, but that's the classic. This is like the classic Ferrari, the Berlinetta Boxer. Here's our chassis, some detail on it. Unfortunately, this looks like our exhaust that's been molded in. Wheel wells are in there, not a lot of detail. Here's our glass. It's been scratched up quite a bit. It's going to need to be sanded and polished. That's probably the back of the cockpit. Here's part of our suspension. Steering wheel. Here's our steering. Not much in the way of suspension there. Here's our cockpit, seats. Here's our dashboard. And let's see what else we have. Our windshield wipers here. Here we have our wheels, the classic Ferrari 5-star wheels. Here are our pop-up lights, and the grille with the prancing horse, our rear lights, and this looks like part of our engine bay cover. Let's have a look at our instructions. So here are the details about the car. There's the colors needed there. We start off with putting together the suspension, putting the wheels on. That's in the front. And then we put the, looks like the front pan on there. Actually, this is the rear. The rear is put on, showing the oil pan. Then the cockpit is built. Then the engine parts are built. Looks like there'll be some detail there, and then the rest of the engine bay is built, as well as the tail. And it looks like the back is made to lift off so that you can see it. We build the dashboard and lights, and all those parts are mounted onto the body. Glass is mounted, and then the body parts go onto the chassis, as well as the front parts there. And then painting and decal guide. So it's a very simple model. There's some level of detail. Molding quality is okay. And here are our decals.